few years ago, when I really got serious about getting in shape, I thought that cardio was the only way to burn fat. I was wrong. Fat is burned only if you're in a calorie deficit. The cardio session itself doesn't burn fat. A calorie deficit is obtained only if the energy you burn is greater than the energy you consume. Move more, eat less. This seems like such an elementary concept, but everyone seems to get it wrong. When I started doing daily cardio, I kept pushing myself until I got a good sweat going. I believed that this was some kind of magical fat burning zone, and if I wasn't sweating, then I wasn't burning fat. Unfortunately, sweat also has nothing to do with fat loss. Physical activity and heat increases your body temperature, which makes you sweat. The sweat helps cool down your body by releasing moisture onto your skin. There may be short-term weight loss, but that is in the form of water weight. Therefore, sweat is not indicative of fat loss. This is true because a lot of people eat back what they burn. Whenever I finished a hard cardio session, I would feel great, but my appetite would be out of control. As soon as I got home, I would eat everything and anything I could get my hands on. I told myself it's okay to binge a little bit, you deserve it after that intense workout. This was a mindset I had which fueled my overconsumption of food. Imagine that, you put in all that hard work and effort and it's instantly negated by a few cookies. So how do we do cardio for fat loss? If you are doing cardio to lose weight, then the type of cardio you do doesn't really matter. Just concern yourself with the total amount of calories burned. However, if you are strapped for time, then you want to do something like running or sprinting that is more intensive so you burn more calories per hour. In my opinion, you should only focus on doing the type of cardio that you enjoy. This way, there is a greater chance you will continue to stay consistent and achieve your fat loss goals in the long run. Personally, I find cardio very boring, so I try to mix it up to keep it interesting. When I do low intensity cardio, I'll usually just walk on a treadmill and listen to music or a podcast. For high intensity cardio, I like to ride the bike. I find that the bike is a lot easier on my joints since my feet aren't repeatedly hitting the ground. There are so many different kinds of cardio. Hiking, playing sports, skipping, dancing, running, swimming. Just keep trying until you find the one you like.
Take it all off.
We're the king of the north! Oh! Holy shit! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh, come on! It's not that bad.
Oh, it's like fucking ice, dude!
Just remember that cardio is a numbers game. As long as you have a decent diet in check, adding cardio to your weekly routine will help you burn those extra calories you need to reach your fat loss goals. Just have fun with it. Yo, Bearzi, what kind of cardio do you do?
Bro, who has time for that? We gotta do curls. And besides, treadmills are for girls. The only cardio I do is horizontal.